Samsung's anti-reflective displays are simply the best in the business, and it only gets better when the display is a whopping 14.6 inches. So this absolute behemoth is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. And this absolute monster, which is literally 3 times the size of my face, has a 14.6 inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display with a brightness that goes all the way up to 1600 nits. But despite how freaking humongous this is, it's only 5.1 millimeters thin, which doesn't even make sense. But before we continue, I'd just like to appreciate that the Tab S11 Ultra actually comes with a stylus in the box. It's actually this all-new redesigned S Pen with a more pencil-like design, and it just snaps magnetically onto the top of the tablet there. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm not that much of a tablet note taker or artist, but I like using the S Pen as an input tool, because something I really enjoy doing on the Tab S11 Ultra's expansive display is photo editing, and the ability to use the S Pen as a precise input device comes in clutch so often. But also, because this tablet is so big, you also unlock a few extra capabilities, because multitasking on this thing is like having 4 tablets in one. It's absolutely crazy. And I'm also convinced that this is literally the peak way to consume any type of content, because this display is just gorgeous. And thankfully, this has the best speakers I've ever heard on any tablet. It just makes the experience so much more immersive. Also, fun little side effects, this is probably the best thing to watch vertical content on. It's kind of silly how good this is for that. And I think all of this just comes together when you realize that Samsung has one of the most robust tech ecosystems on the market. Like, if you're already part of the Samsung ecosystem with the Galaxy smartphone, the Buds, a watch, the Tab S11 Ultra just expands across all of that.